So back in 2012, 2013, Instagram was considered to be just as a platform for people to share photos and pictures. But now, is it the case?
No.
No. Yeah. Why? Because Instagram has moved from a platform of a social or a photo or a video sharing app to a place where you can establish who you are, what you can deliver, and to establish an identity for you. Because nowadays, many people are trying to establish their identity, what they know, how they can deliver through Instagram. So, my this presentation is going to be with respect to Instagram and how one can make the best use or how one can make use of this particular platform for betterment of business. Yeah. Do you feel better when you have a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Instagram is something like that. Like you feel good when you are able to present yourself, when you are able to showcase your brand, when you are able to show people of what efforts you can do. It's not that the other platforms, like the other social media platforms, are not providing that particular opportunity. Why it is extra a little bit more good in Instagram is it tries more better to connect it from the highest level or order of brand to the lowest common people who's up right there. And Instagram is trying to become one simple place for all needs. Like they are experimenting. If you had seen recently, Reels has come in. Why it has come in? Because TikTok was a competitor. They were the audience, the short video audience was going there. So Instagram or the Facebook Limited does not want that to happen. So they brought this. Likewise, every single platform, the idea of stories did not come from Instagram. It comes from other platform called Snapchat. So every other single platform or app that is going to be trending, that is coming up in the market, Instagram is trying to have that in their single own place. So it is not just an app where you can showcase your brand, your photos, your videos. It is an app where you can showcase your identity. Your clients are there. The people whom you are going to serve is there. The people whom will be paying you is there. The people who will appreciate you is there. I myself is one of the example of this particular scenario. Yeah. So if I can tell one simple example, along with the other social, I got my highly paying clients via Instagram because I use my profile just to showcase what I can deliver to my clients. I try to showcase like, see, these are the service that I can do, because the people who want to get better in Instagram is actually in Instagram. So I use this platform to get some clients as well. And one more thing, Instagram is growing little by little. Every single day, they're trying to add as much thing as possible into this. Facebook was in that place some years before, but now Instagram has taken that place because Facebook has almost become like a marketplace or a sales place. But Instagram is a place where you can create identity, you can showcase who you are. So on this note, after having some discussion with few of my friends, few of our fellow TBL peoples, and few of my other friends, I thought, like, why not create something for the entrepreneurs in the social media platform? So I'm trying to bring a concept of which is called Instalogy or Instagram for entrepreneurs. This Instalogy or Instagram for entrepreneurs is not a webinar, or it is not a session, or it is not a workshop. This is a concept where I'm trying to educate entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are two types. Either they want to manage their own brand or their own page by themselves, or they can have a team or a set of person or assign a digital marketer to take care of them. So for either case, they need to know what is Instagram, how it works, what is hashtag. If you want to be famous in Chennai, what is the hashtag or what is the technique that you have used? So I am planning to create this 2 week concept. 1 week is fully for learning, and the second week is fully of hands-on practice. So if you are interested, do get in touch with me. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.